The POCO X8 Pro series will become official on March 17th. The POCO X8 Pro Max is to be a rebranded Redmi Turbo 5 Max for the global market. POCO's official website for Belgium mistakenly uploaded pricing information for the yet unannounced POCO X8 Pro and POCO X8 Pro Max. POCO X8 Pro go for €399.90 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The model with 512GB of space will be priced at €449.90. 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage and will be priced at €479.90. Moving over to the X8 Pro Max, this one starts at €529.90 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and it goes up to €579.90. The back panel continues to feature a vertical dual camera setup, similar to the previous generation. The device is said to pack an 8,500 mAh battery with 100W wired fast charging support, along with 27W wired reverse charging. It will be powered by the new Dimensity 9500's chipset, achieving an impressive score of 3.29 million. With 16GB of RAM and Android 16, the device sports a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, up to 2000 nits in high brightness mode. The X8 Pro Max is tipped to get a 50MP Lighthunter 600 primary rear sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 20MP selfie unit. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.